Let's start practically working with the Bootstrap. So first of all, open your browser, for example Firefox, and type download Bootstrap or get Bootstrap. Get Bootstrap and Bootstrap 5. So when you write or type get Bootstrap, so the first website of the get Bootstrap, which is the website of the Bootstrap, will be the first. And then click on download or getting started. So click on getting started. At the first page we'll see that there are some explanation about Bootstrap and also the usage of the Bootstrap. The best, it means the quickest way is that you can use the CDN link to use the Bootstrap from the online or via the online links. This is the thing that sometimes you do not want to download it in your machine or in your PCs, then you can use it as an online. But in this tutorial, I will download the Bootstrap, and then from the machine I will use the Bootstrap. In order to download that, click on the download button. You have two ways or two versions of the Bootstrap. The first one is that the compiled version. It means that it is the encrypted version of the Bootstrap, and you cannot bring some changes into the code. And the second way is that you can download the Bootstrap with open code, and you can bring some changes into the Bootstrap code. Click on the download source. Actually it is too much because my internet is not that much fast, so I will just cancel this and will open or download the first one because it is the encrypted one. See, it is much more small than the actual code or the open code. So right now I will open this one and take a copy of this. I will go into the desktop. I have created a file which is called Bootstrap, and open it. I will paste the Bootstrap source code here. So first of all, I will just unzip it. So right now I have unzipped it, and I'll change it the name from the Bootstrap which has the version to Bootstrap 5. And then I will open it. So first of all, let me to open it with a editor, which is Sublime Text. I'm using Sublime Text. Maybe you're using VS Code or another editor. So I open the folder because I want to open the entire folder. Go to desktop and open the Bootstrap 5 and close the previous one. So let me to explain the Bootstrap 5. First of all, I have to just delete. I want to delete the zip version for preventing confusion. So right now, when you open the Bootstrap 5 folder, you can see that just two files or folders. One is the CSS. You can see the many CSS files, but the one that we are using is the bootstrap.css. When you open the bootstrap.css, you can see the code of the Bootstrap here. So everything is written, and you are only need to use the just the CSS via the classes. The second folder is the GS, and the main thing that we're using is the bootstrap.js. You can see the lots of functions of JavaScript is written here. So first of all, in order to use the Bootstrap, we will just create a file inside the Bootstrap 5 and name it index.html. So in order to use the Bootstrap inside the HTML, I will just import the two files, which is the first one is CSS, and the second one is script. So inside the CSS, I will just refer to because this is inside the Bootstrap 5. And let me check. Okay, just inside the Bootstrap 5, which is the general folder, I have two file and folders. One is the Bootstrap 5 folder, which contains the Bootstrap files and folders, and the second one is index.js, index.html. I say that go to inside Bootstrap 5, and we have another folder which is called CSS, and inside that we have bootstrap.css. So if you come inside the CSS folder, you can see that we have a file which is bootstrap.css. Another file that I have to bring is a GS. I will say that source, and go to inside the Bootstrap 5, we have a foreign folder which is called GS, and inside that bootstrap.js. So right now I have just downloaded the Bootstrap 5 and also included in my file. In the next tutorial we will start using from the Bootstrap.